In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make text from to a shape. I'm going to be drawing a circle with the ellipse tool, or L for shortcut. Click and holding shift drag to create the circle. Next, get your type tool shortcut is T on the keyboard and type in your text. Next, we need to make sure the circle is to the top, so we can go to object, arrange, bring to front, select both objects, go to object, envelope, distort, make with top object. If you need to edit the text after you've created the object, you can either do your direct selection tool A on the keyboard to select the text, or if with your black arrow you can double click to select the text, you can change your text. And drawing a polygon tool, repeat the process again, and there you go. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorials.